Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back. Oh my god, it's good to be back. I'm so happy to be here in front of you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the love and support, and if you want to know how I got this look, please stay tuned. Mwah. I'm going to start by filling in my brows using Clinique brow pencil. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer to carve out my eyebrows and also prime my eyelids. My crease color is Nomad from the Saharan palette by Juvia's. I'm just going to take my time to blend and blend and blend because I don't want any harsh lines. Using this color called Blackjack by Urban Decay Basics palette, I'm just going to blend out my crease and intensify and smoke things up a little bit more. I'm going to carve out my eyelid to create kind of a half cut crease. This glitter I'm using is by Moira Cosmetics. It's so nice. I love it so much. Oh my god. I'm putting that black shade I used on my crease, on my lower crease, just to intensify and smoke things out a bit more on my outer V. Wing liner time. I'm just going to create a winged liner using this liner by Lancome. I'm prepping and priming my skin for foundation. Foundation today is Beyond Perfecting by Clinique. I'm using my favorite concealer to highlight today, LA Girl Pro Cosmetics in Toffee. Now I'm just blending, blending, and blending. My contour today is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just gonna blend out that contour. I don't want any harsh lines or muddy. I'm just gonna matte down my face using Laura Mercier translucent powder. I like this powder so much because it's amazing. I'm setting my under eyes and the places I highlighted using Sacha Buttercup. Now I'm just going to use this powder contour by NYX Cosmetics around those places I contoured. I'm dusting off the excess powder using this brush from MAC Cosmetics. I'm also using this blush from BH Cosmetics. Highlight is by Smashbox Cosmetics. My lipstick today is by Estee Lauder. I'm locking it all in with Scandinavia. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.